Okay, in the comments on one of Josh V's videos, he was talking about, having the multiple spray nozzles. Well, someone said, why not use duals with, and I can get true dual nozzles. So here we go. Again, why? Really, no reason at all. This is just simply for fun. And I've got the dual foam cannons ready, and we'll just play around here. So, of course, to start, I'm going to hook up the foam cannons. Make sure they're both set to max. I don't know, that was pretty quick. So, you want to see a cool thing that Ryobi was thinking about? When you set the foam cannon down, they got a little flat on the handle here that basically keeps it level. Okay, swap over. I decided to go with 25s for both of the So for dual rinse off, like someone said, gotta do it Max Payne style. Okay, yeah, that's fun. So to make it happen, all I did was take out that Y connector that normally would have connected the two outputs there from the pressure washer. Put one into my old Uberflex hose there, and the other one just feeds my normal hose reel. So yeah, The way I had it hardwired in before, I couldn't do that, but thanks to Cars with QUIVR and his Y adapter with the quick connects, you never know when we can just change it up. Again, one more fun thing to do with a dual Ryobi pressure washer setup.